This tutorial review will show you how to download all photos and videos from Google Photos in one click. First of all, open your Google Photos app. Tap on your profile icon at the top right. Tap on Manage your Google account. Select Data and Privacy tab. Scroll down and search for Content saved from Google Services. Once you find out this option, tap on it. And now here scroll down and search for Photos. Now tap on Download. And you will jump into the Google Takeout page. Here, make sure to check Google Photos box and tap on Next Step. Transfer to, select Send Download Link via email and select your export frequency. You can change the file type from here and tap on Create Export. And here you can see your files are currently being prepared. This process can take a long time, possibly hours or days to complete. You will receive an email when your export is done. So all you have to do is just check your Gmail app to get your Google Photos files download link. So that's how you'll be able to download your photos and videos from Google Photos in one click. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Tutorial River. See you in the next video.